Welcome to this video with exponential rules dealing with negative exponents. All right, so if you aren't sure on the exponential rules, watch my video titled Exponential Rules. Here we're just going to do a couple of quick examples dealing with negative exponents. So first, if I have x to the third times x to the negative seventh. Now, as we recall, we are multiplying, same base, so we add the exponents, 3 plus negative 7. So now we get into adding with integers. 3 plus negative 7. Well, the signs are different, so I subtract. 7 minus 3 is 4. 7 is bigger and it's negative, so my answer is x to the negative fourth. Now, we're going to leave that as is for now. We're not going to worry about changing the negative exponents. That's a whole nother world. So we're really just worried about the exponential rules when having negative exponents. Now, what if I have y to the negative sixth times y to the negative third? Well, same idea. Since we're multiplying, same base, we add the exponents. Y, negative 6 plus negative 3 gives me negative 9. They are both negative, so I simply add, apply the sign. Works similarly with division. So if I would have x to the fifth divided by x to the negative fourth. Now we recall we are dividing, same base, so we subtract numerator minus the denominator. Notice I subtracted, and then because the denominator is a negative, I apply another negative sign. Rules, we add the opposite. So this is the same as x to the ninth. If they're both negative, let's say y to the negative third divided by y to the negative fifth. Okay? Dividing, same base. So negative 3 minus negative 5. Again, I add the opposite. So I end up with y to the second because negative 3 plus 5 is 2. Let's do one more division. Let's do m to the negative second divided by m to the fifth. So, same base, I'm dividing, so I subtract the exponents. Negative 2, right, numerator exponent minus the denominator. So now I have negative 2 minus 5. So if you think about a number line, here's negative 2. So I'm starting at negative 2 and I'm subtracting 5. That means I'm getting more negative. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm ending up here, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, negative 6, negative 7. So this is the same as m to the negative seventh. And if we go power to a power, the last one, so if we call this x to the negative third squared. Well, remember, power to a power, we multiply. So this is saying x to the negative third times 2, which is to the negative sixth. It works the same if we would have y to the fourth raised to the negative fifth. We are still power to the power, so we multiply. And if they're both negative, let's just say m to the negative second to the negative eighth. Well, base, negative 2 times negative 8. 2 negatives makes a positive, and that would give us m to the 16th. So that's a little bit on dealing with negative exponents with your exponential rules.